Hi, everyone, and welcome to our week 1 meet and greets. And for this assignment, we are going to cover two main components. One is learning how to use Miro, which is a digital whiteboard app that we'll use frequently in this course. And then the other one is just to create a simple character or avatar for yourself, just to introduce who you are. You can have as much fun with this as you like, be silly. The only thing I request is that you put your actual name underneath your card so I can give you proper credit for it. But with Miro, this app is used in a collaborative way for this course. We will be uploading images, we'll be shuffling around them on the screen, we will be commenting on each other or under artwork. And it's a visual arts class, so it makes sense for it to be more interactive and visual in form. So with Miro, I know that some of you may not have used this before, and I highly suggest downloading the app to whatever device you're using because the website version sometimes glitches out for these activities. But if you run into any issues, please let me know. Now, when you open up your assignment, what I suggest doing is going down to the bottom right here and then just clicking Fit to Screen. This is going to zoom out on anything that has been pasted to our whiteboard discussion. So here you can see just the template that I used for this assignment. Somebody put together all of these really fun components so you can create your character. Normally I would have more instructions here, art images that you can pull from, and anything else that is attached to the assignment. Now, as people paste things in here or add to it, it can get a little bit messy. So there's going to be times when I go behind and just organize it a little bit for us. And that will prevent you from just being overwhelmed by stuff. So after that, you can just zoom in, you can pan around the page anywhere where you need to go. And here you can see I just created a simple avatar for myself here as Professor K. And a few of the tools that we'll use in this course involve text, sticky notes, and other comments. But before I start that, I'll just show you how you can click in your different components to create your avatar. So you can just right click any of these objects and you can hit duplicate, and that will create a new version of it. That way everybody has a chance to create their own character. And another thing that may happen when you are piecing these things together is the layers might get a little bit off. So if you need to move layers to the front or back, you can just right click and select one of these. You can also, after you've had more components, you can hit the align option or the group option. Let me see if I can do that really quick for you. So let's say you have several pieces right here. You can just select all, and then you have the option right here to group objects together if you're trying to shuffle things around. Another thing that you can do after you've created your character is you can add your text. So these under here should already be provided for you where you can just click your name and edit it. However, if you're using other assignments where you need to add text, for example, if you need to title an artwork that you're sharing, you can just hit the text box, it's going to create a new one for you. And then you can change the font size or anything else you need to using this toolbar here. Another thing that you'll use for the course is the sticky note option sometimes. This one you might not use as frequently. You can select any color that you want for it. And I don't always recommend this for some of these assignments because it is limiting with how much text you can add to your sticky notes. However, if you're just trying to organize things around or label them, that's totally fine. So, use it the way you need to for the assignments. And then the last thing, or second to last thing that we'll do is use our comment option. This one is going to be one that you use the most often because you will be commenting on different activities, different artworks based on what the assignment is. And this is also how we can thread information together so people can comment on each other. So just as a test here, just enter the information, hit send, and then you can reply, anything like that to it to create a thread. The last thing I'll show you here is the upload option. Now, this will be where we upload artwork or any other information that we need for that whiteboard assignment. So hopefully you will be able to use this quickly and easily. I know for some of you, you've probably already done things like this before, so it might be a little bit repetitive with these instructions, but I really look forward to what you create, and I hope you have fun with this assignment. Feel free to reach out with any questions, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.